good one.
They think they're tipping over. What the heck? Alrighty, it's a Saturday afternoon. It's not even a Sunday. We're headed down into the barracks to do a little recovery mission.
We have a special treat for you today.
So,
he's very excited about this.
He is?
Oh, yeah.
So Michelle's cousin is stuck in the barracks. He's
been featured on the channel before when we
Howard
went
has?
to Glamis.
Oh yeah, Howard came to Glamis when we were there.
Yeah.
Brought Uncle Lee down. So he went to recover somebody and then he got stuck his own self. So now we're gonna go get him. So I'm taking Michelle. She is the work girl today. So if the video's not good.
Apparently he's Tippy too. Of
Oh
course
yeah.
This video's gonna
So
be
it's
good.
a Chevy truck of some sort. We'll take the old tow truck and go get it handled. All right, Michelle's got the Onx pin all downloaded. We're gonna run out and see if we can find them and get them pulled out. Let's rock and roll. You got your seatbelt on?
Right.
Seatbelts for safety.
Seatbelt so we can stay safe.
You don't put shoulder straps, just a lap belt will do you.
Name that show from my kids' childhood.
Dora.
Good
The
job.
Explorer.
Seatbelts, so we can be safe.
Good job.
Backpack, backpack.
All right, let's go save cousin Howard.
Let's go get him.
Smells like propane.
Yeah,
What?
that's deer, dead deer.
That's a dead. Yeah, it is. Well, why does it smell like propane?
That's what propane's made from.
Dead deer?
Dead stuff under the ground.
Really?
Yeah. Leave that in the comments. Tell Michelle what propane comes from.
It comes from gases from the ground from dead animals.
And plants and all that kind of stuff, yeah.
Oh, that's a right one. I can still smell it. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
She didn't even move.
Oh, she did.
Did she?
She glared at me.
So, Landon's home this weekend, but he's off somewhere with his friends. Jinx is currently rescuing one of his buddies because he broke down. So you guys get me today, me and the camera woman.
You're gonna do just fine.
I'll be great.
You'll do just
I only
fine.
forget to turn it on occasionally.
Once in a while, that happens.
Paul forgot to put the camera on. This is all his fault.
That's my sheer job. You're the camera woman. Okay, keep your eyes peeled. He's right somewhere right here. I don't know.
And now we're passing by the belly of
Why are
the
you
dragon.
filming me with two?
I'm
Oh,
not
you're
filming the belly of the dragon.
Oh,
There
yeah.
it is.
It's pretty epic. All right, look for Howard. Look for a truck that looks like it's in a bad way. Hey, look, I've pulled someone out of that very spot.
Have you?
Yep, I came and pulled someone out the other night in that very spot.
Oh, he's teetering.
He's not
He's teetering.
Should I drive it out or pull it out? Oh, they've got
It's
a
a
rope.
good
hooked up.
one.
They think they're tipping over.
I need you to get me out of here, though. Ugh.
Are
Really?
you serious?
I can't. Oh, okay. Well, hi, guys.
What else would you rather be doing?
I know. I was just folding clothes, so
We're
this
not
is.
on the road anymore.
Oh, jeez. Oh, that's not the road? Well,
No.
we were going to make it the road.
Let's look at this. Let's look at what he's done.
Yeah, what do you think's best?
Well, last time we pulled someone out of this very exact same spot.
What happened?
Let's start from the beginning. My
Okay.
son, Randall, got that truck stuck.
Where's Randall?
Over there. So
Randall?
So he got the GMC stuck. I came to rescue him. And I got him out.
This is all your
And
fault.
then this happened.
So you were being a good Samaritan.
I was for being the rescuer, and now the rescuer needs rescuing.
That happens a lot, actually.
It'll be good.
I thought Ben was here.
What?
I thought Ben was coming.
I don't know where those guys are. They were ahead of us.
Ben was all sorts of excited to come
I'll
help.
just pull over here. We'll pull it back.
Oh, was that the second buggy?
He wanted to come help with this situation.
situation.
This isn't so bad. We've seen a lot worse.
Bumper.
Let's look at this.
The original.
Oh, nice. Oh, Randall. So what's the plan?
I'm just gonna pull it sideways so they can drive on out of here.
Perfect.
Aren't you glad I stopped when I stopped?
Oh yeah, it would have got worse.
Well, not only that, but you still have cell phone service, so you were able to call. Like you went like a half a mile more and you're done. The front's definitely heavier. Oh wow.
And back out of here. So that truck's unstuck currently.
That truck's stuck.
Oh, it is stuck again. That'll be easy.
Oh yeah.
Now what did we learn from coming to the barracks?
Chuck, and I'm never driving that thing again.
Not a two-wheel drive. Late to the party. All right.
We'll drive this one out of there. I'm gonna go
so
forward.
Round two.
Round two. Well,
Truck
this
two.
one's two-wheel drive.
Yeah.
So.
Benihana was late to the party.
Yeah, we went way past. We thought it was in the serious sand.
It's
Are
the
you just gonna
traction
try
control.
to drive it out?
Yeah.
It'll drive. Oh yeah.
Oh geez.
You want a fat guy on the back? All right.
It's stuck.
See, that should make you feel better. He can't even get it out by driving it.
We brought a tow truck. We might as well use it. We're gonna tow this thing.
I feel like you should. Ben's gonna drive.
I'm ready.
All right.
I can't see what's in back of me.
Just stay like that. Keep the wheels turned like that. You're not turning. Straighten it out a little bit. Give them a little. Yeah, there you go.
What the heck? Holy cow. Straight. two-wheel drive. You're gonna have to turn them. We'll pull you out.
We got you. Round 3 coming up.
Is there a brake stuck on in reverse?
It feels like it, doesn't it?
Dude, it's...
I felt like it's...
Hey, come get in this.
It's
The issue is
dragging going backwards.
I think that the emergency brake is stuck. It's good
find out.
forward.
Yeah.
It's not backwards though. Legit, it's the weirdest. It's the weirdest feeling.
Okay, just neutral.
Okay.
I'll pull you around.
Yeah.
Neutral, but yet the emergency brake is on, right?
It's only on in reverse. Forward works fine. But he's gonna just flip me around right here.
Yeah.
I like the headset better.
Right?
I'm telling you, this
Turn
is
all the way this way.
this is the weird.
I'll
It's
pull
the
this up.
weirdest feeling because it's not the brake, but when you put it into reverse, it just.
Huh.
I would just not go backwards.
Yeah, no, it's a forward truck from this point right now.
Don't go in reverse, guys.
That's right.
Hey, you gotta love it when you're pulling out 2 trucks and somebody rolls up. Hey, can you come get me out too?
I know. We're not like a 3-fer today.
It is a 3-4. I was gonna say a 3.
All right.
All right, let's go get the other one.
Okay.
You can have your peaceful camping back.
Yeah. We invaded their peaceful camp over here.
They're waiting to talk to you.
Yeah, they talked to
Oh,
us.
you talked to them already?
Yep.
Okay.
We'll go save them too.
Jump in.
We're big fabrats fans, and we have finally been saved by fabrats.
Yep.
You better be fabrats fans. You're welcome.
Thank you. Earned a free deep sea fishing trip.
Okay.
right.
Yes.
Name it, I'll be there.
Good.
Tuna
Okay.
fishing. Fabrats tuna fishing.
We're gonna go deep sea fishing with these guys here shortly.
Thanks, Paul.
You're good.
Thank you.
Yep, anytime. Anytime. Yep. Have a good weekend.
All right.
On to the next one. It's a 2-fer day.
It's a 3-fer.
Oh yeah, I forgot. 3. Yep, they're not far. Like literally, they were right here.
Lucky them, they heard the motor noises.
I guess.
So that's a good idea to bring that car down this way.
Not ours, so it's a good idea. This is how we make money, Shell. It's a good idea.
It's a true
I think
story.
all you people should get in Subarus and go off-roading.
Rentals.
Rentals, just take them out and see what they'll do. And
Just
then
buy the insurance. It's
call us
fine.
up. We'll come and get you out. We won't even make fun of you because I enjoy doing it. It's fun to see where people can actually take these little cars. This is like camp. They got stuck at camp. That's convenient. Like literally at camp.
Yeah. Wonder how long they've been stuck.
Oh wow, they dug a bunch.
Yeah.
You got stuck like at camp. That's pretty good.
Yeah, let's strip. That's the reason why it's stripped.
Oh yeah. Well, we'll pull you up out.
How long have you guys been stuck here?
I pulled it here yesterday, same time.
Perfect timing. Did you hear us over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll get you out. I bet this is going to be one of those cars without one of those.
It is. There's nothing. I'll hook you an AR.
You guys having fun camping?
Yep.
Were you freezing or was it okay?
I mean, the night it's freezing.
But the day's hot.
Days, I mean,
It's good. Yeah. Yep. Where you guys from?
we're from Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, huh? Getting out of the city and coming out here for a bit. I don't blame you. You guys tried all the tricks.
Yeah, I tried everything. I put water, I put rocks in it.
Yeah, this will work.
Yeah.
This is what we do.
All right, Shell, jump in it.
Yeah.
You get a drive.
I get a drive?
You get a drive. Jump in. I'm not going to pull you hard. Yeah.
Back up. Get inside the tent.
And then turn the wheels. You hop in and I'll instruct you. Push
Where's
button.
the key at?
You want this key? Here.
Oh, there is a key.
Oh, I was like,
Look at that.
I was looking for
It's
it.
hard to know if they have keys or just buttons nowadays. Okay, put it in neutral. Turn the wheel. Right there. Okay. And I'll,
Let off the brake and let you call me?
yeah, and I'll just pull you right back here and then we'll be out.
Here we go. This is my second recovery, you guys. We'll see how I do.
Yes. Got out.
Yep, see? Good? I just put the key in the cup holder.
Yeah.
And because you did such a good job filming, we're not even going to charge you today.
Hey, I want to pay you
No,
something.
you don't have to pay us. Right?
Really appreciate you guys.
You're welcome.
Thanks a lot.
Have a good vacation.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you'll be fine going back out that way.
Okay. Yeah, I'll just park it right there.
But are
You
they
stay
in the
in the
way
tire
or is
tracks,
he
you're
good?
good. No, I can go out this way.
Okay.
So, you guys have a good
I really
night.
appreciate you guys.
Yep,
Thanks
see
a
you
lot.
later.
Thanks a lot.
See you, man.
Thank you.
See you guys.
How did I do on my second recovery ever?
You did pretty dang good. Pretty
Yeah?
good. You're getting better.
Yeah?
I was way better than the first one. You didn't even run my rope over that time.
Yeah. Oh, there's kids. Make
Yep.
sure they're not anywhere. And we're off.
Turn the hubs out, and we'll go
You want
home.
me to help you?
No.
Would you like me to turn the hub?
You get a hub?
Let me try.
Let's see it.
Let's see if I know how to hub. I feel like I know how to hub.
Did you get a hub?
I hub.
Good job.
I hub.
Hubba bubba.
Okay.
Put your seatbelt on for
You
safety.
really need to clean that so the door
Every
shuts.
time I clean this thing, we go to peekaboo. Like literally, and it gets sand in it again, so.
Literally.
Literally.
All right.
Let's do this thing.
Jeez. Three recoveries. And your truck was like, I've never seen it go up that high before.
Haven't you? That's
No.
why I put it against that hill, because I knew it was going to wheelie. That truck weighs like twice what this
Yeah.
thing weighs.
That's what I'm saying. That tells you how much Howard's truck weighed.
Oh, yeah,
if
it's
this
heavy.
truck tipped up that far.
Yeah, it's heavy. But, once again, she did her job.
Okay, so it's been a great rescue. We rescued 3 vehicles, not just one like we originally thought.
Good times. Your
Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, maybe.
Good luck. We got a 3 for the price of 1
Yep.
today.
Thanks for watching.
We're out. That's true.
Bless you.